guys, namaste, welcome back to the channel. Those who are new, welcome to Tarot Tales 369. If you're liking the videos, please go subscribe the channel and share the videos. I have already laid the cards. These are the energies for today for the collective. Let's quickly check out what's going on here. I must say these are very good cards after the upheaval that has happened in your life. The star card is here, to remind you what all has happened in the past. Now is the time to shine again like a star. I'm seeing some kind of an ending has happened here. Chapter has been closed. Uh, Although the ending that has served its purpose, and it was painful and exhaustive, of course. But change is inevitable. Change is the law of nature. So it is time to be hopeful again as your luck is about to change for the better. Those, lifetime bonds and personal ties, or in general, you once thought of carrying forward those relationships or those things or any kind of, bonds are now vanishing as they serve their purpose and are no longer needed, where you are heading to. Maybe you're moving up for a new job. What has ended is now bringing more better and fulfilling opportunities for you in the future. New financial stability is coming, a stable future is coming. Uh, or it could be your dream home, you never know. So inspired, stay positive and appreciate what life is going to offer you because dreams do come true. Stay in close proximity with your, angels and gods, whoever you believe in, for the highest form of guidance because it will nurture your intuition even more. You know, meditate on what you need to do further and what decisions you have to take. You're soon going to be placed in a situation where you will be expressing your best insights, your experience and thoughts will be counted, and you will definitely outshine like a star here. So, a difficult phase is ending, but also creating, a space to accommodate a new and much promising future ahead that lies for many of you, whoever is watching this. So, a new sunrise is coming up for you after that dark night of the soul. It's time to, it's time for the rebirth and rising from the ashes, I would say. And the man in this sword card is all exhausted and, tired. And uh, this is a good, closure card. It assures that, okay, now what had to happen has finally happened, and now it's time to reap good fruits, after all that toil you did. And it's all worth it. With these two air cards and now this pentacle card that is, practicality, that is a very earthly energy. So it's time for those things in the air to land on the ground and, manifesting in practical way, to happen on the ground. All those things are now happening for you. It's like a very prosperous life is waiting for you ahead. New beginnings in terms of your financial stability. Maybe you were thinking of that property, something, and you worked so hard for that in the past. So that all is coming to get manifested in real time. Also, the star card shows, some kind of creativity is flowing through you. It supports that creative gifts and talents you have. So if you have any such, please go forward with that also. you know Starting that the startup you were thinking of. That's it, guys. Thank you and namaste.